That story coming up in just a bit, but first to our top stories tonight. The First Lady of the United States, Dr. Jill Biden, arrived in Kenya earlier today for a 3-day official visit. The aircraft carrying Jill, Executive 1 Foxtrot, landed at the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport a few minutes after 4 p.m. local time from Namibia, where Dr. Biden had been on a 2-day state visit. She was received by her host, First Lady Mama Rachel Ruto, U.S. Ambassador to Kenya Meg Whitman, among other senior government officials, including Machakos Governor Wavinya Ndeti. According to the White House, Jill Biden's visit will focus on empowerment of women and youth, promoting shared values of democracy, health cooperation, and economic prosperity. Mama Rachel Ruto said Dr. Biden will visit the Joyful Women program, where she will get a chance to experience stable banking. The visiting First Lady is accompanied by her daughter, Naomi Christina Biden. This is her 3rd visit to the country. She has been here before as wife to the Vice President and now First Lady. Former Interior Cabinet